Good morning, student. Now I am again here with part 2, the series of active voice and passive voice. This is part 2, class 7, chapter 23, active and passive voice. In this part, we will learn how to convert any active voice to passive voice. First of all, we will see here this structure and now we will get. So let's get started. Let's first quickly remember what we have already learned. There are two ways in which we can describe action performed by the subject in relation with the object. Active voice here subject perform the action and object receive the action. Sentence structure is subject plus verb plus object. Passive voice. We will see here passive voice and action is performed on the object by the subject. The sentence structure here is object plus helping verb plus V3 plus by plus subject. See an example here to make things clear. Active voice Ravi repaired my car. Same sentence in passive voice is my car was repaired by Ravi. In the sentence is are same in meaning but the context change. In first sentence subject Ravi is given more importance and we get to know what he is the person what that he is the person which performing the repair activity on the car which is an object. Second sentence we are giving more importance. Second sentence we are giving more importance to the object car and the action performed by the subject rather than subject itself. Now let's see how we can convert active voice to passive voice. There are basically 5 simple steps in converting in active voice to passive. Let's see them one by one. First, identify the subject, object and main verb in any sentence. Second, swap subject with the object and object with the subject. Third, convert the main verb into the third form of verb. Fourth, add a proper helping verb to be before main verb. 5. Add preposition by before the subject so at the end the sentence structure of passive voice is object plus helping verb plus verb 3 plus by plus subject. There are simple 5 steps which we need to follow. There are 2 important things that need to be remembered here. First, when replacing the subject with the object in the sentence pronoun, then conversion will be like this. First we can see here I became me, he became him, she became her, we became us, they became them. Please remember all this. Second, to add proper helping verb of to be before the main verb. Each helping verb decided this is not tenses. It is main verb, right? Now we can see here some formulas which is used when we change active voice to passive voice with tenses. Simple present tense in active voice write and writes, and passive voice is, am, are and written which is verb 3. Present continuous tense is, are, am writing, it will be become is, are, am being plus written. Now you can see all formulas and please keep remember. See in simple present tense active voice he writes a letter. In passive, a letter is written by him. Present continuous tense. Active voice. Javed is making a cake. Passive voice. A cake is being made by Javed. Present perfect tense. Active voice. I have eaten food. Passive voice. Food has been eaten by me. Simple past tense. Active voice. He bought a car. Passive voice. A car was bought by him. Past continuous tense. Active voice. Sarah was singing a song. Passive voice. A song was being sung by Sarah. Past perfect tense. Active voice. Jay had finished homework. Passive voice. Homework had been finished by Jay. Simple future tense. Active voice. She will accept the offer. Passive voice. The offer will be accepted by her. Future perfect tense. Active voice. I will have charged the battery. Passive voice. The battery will have been charged by me. These are the 8 ways which can convert an active voice to passive voice. Now I am sure that you will not have difficulties conversion of active to passive voice. Thank you.